Introduction. For centuries, humans have been obsessed with beauty and youth. We have tried everything from practices we still use today to some off-the-wall things that might make one cringe in order to maintain a youthful appearance. With the technology that we have at our disposal now, looking and feeling great is almost down to a science. Even now, scientists are uncovering new tips and tricks to maintaining a youthful appearance that will help us to stay confident and enhance our lives. While the saying is true that beauty is only skin deep, many people find that maintaining a youthful air is important to keep going on with our routines. The working world is competitive in more ways than one, and it also helps us to stay confident with our friends and partners if we can manage to look younger than our age. It is one of the best compliments one can receive, and this training will help you to uncover several anti-aging hacks that will help you to stay at the top of your game. The most important thing about focusing our lives on anti-aging is the fact that we are doing everything we can do within our power to view our bodies as machines that are either going to work in our favor or against it. So, when does the body work mostly in our favor? When we supply it with the vital components that it needs in order to stay at its peak form. Our bodies will work in our favor when we are getting the essential vitamins and nutrients. It will work in our favor when we are drinking enough water, and it will work in our favor when we are exercising. When does the body work against us? When we stop accepting responsibility for the things that we do to our bodies and what we put into them. When we decide that we can cut corners and that we can continue to go on paths full of vices and habits that are going to make it difficult for us to remain healthy. Our bodies will work against us when we are giving ourselves an excuse to make bad decisions that will harm us rather than becoming proactive and stepping up to the plate to give ourselves the reason and the motivation to make the choices that are best for our bodies and lives. If we aren't making choices that are going to help us to embrace a youthful life, then we are not going to live a youthful life. It is that simple. Whether your goal is to keep an edge in the working world or simply to make sure you are feeling as confident as possible, there are several different things that one can implement in order to prevent aging from marking its course and diminishing our confidence. We don't have to accept aging at face value. We can take control over our bodies and lives and do everything possible to prevent aging from taking over our lives. This training will show you how.